Now we are heading to our next destination. This is a shuttle service. Now we are officially off to.
Officially off to. You asked me to not to say.
Oh, no. Way. We are on our way. What are you looking at? We have a lot of things to do here. Lots of things. Bawal views. Oh, what room are offering? Oh, nice. Oh, hello, namaste. Nature, inside nature, what a nice vibe. I'm loving this too much. I look more like trekking organic contents. So this is mewa right there. Papaya. Firstly, I'm too hungry. This is the room view. Oh, first thing first, washroom seems good, eh? Oh, nice. They got bathtub. I love this. Ani, this is jata pani aina. Oh, that's kind of my thing. Wala shit, eh? Ani yinharko yo finishing looks good. Bed looks dammy. Ani there's fridge and oh, nice. They got balcony and they got the view. Okay, firstly we need to order something. See you guys in a while. Hush. Once again? Both. Best idea. Best time. If you want your wife to get ready first, then just say both. Both, baby. You look prettiest. The both. I look good enough, but you look prettiest. How come that's possible, baby?
These are the essay ones.
That one. And this looks great. There is a nice one. So, it's 4:30 and we are off to explore the property. So I'm here. So, kids section reach a lot of things. That looks pretty in the back. So I'm ground property comes and we will just have some road shots. Let's see. First of all, there's a cinematic shot. Let's see.
And I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll
Oh God. हाथ में अड़ गया सर. Please. So right now let's complicate. दामी सनसेटको भ्यू आइरहेको छ त्यो अब अपोनेन्ट त्यसमा चाहिँ हो यसरी गर्छ आई गट द मसल मेमोरी. सो त्यसपछि चाहिँ अब हामी जाँदैछौँ अलिक माथि. सो द भ्यू वाज वर्थ. त्यही भएर हामी 2 सेकेन्ड्सको लागि रिका मात्रै हेर्नको लागि. सो नाउ वी आर स्ट्रोलिङ फर्दर मोर अराउन्ड. त्यति मात्रै क्लिप देखाउनको लागि.
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane.
So guys, हम हैं इधर प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर and that's the mountain view. You can clearly see Bawal. You can also see on my time lapse. यसपछि म एड गरिदिन्छु यो खिच्दै गरेको. And that's us. So that's not kissing. You can't kiss publicly, baby. She was so into kissing, huh? Let's not. That's game it. Asadia. That's a magical mountain, oh god. I'm such a mountain person, eh? चुप रहिए पापराजी से चुप रहिए It's 5:33 and right now we are sitting on this restaurant area, outdoor space, and that's the view. Boy, देखिन्छ के त्यो प्रभु. And this is view, and that's us.
That's us again.
That's us again. बाहिर sitting space मा मस्तले eat बनाएको छ. So this seat looks perfect, and it's ample space. बवाल दामी also. Vibe है भाई vibe तो है. मजा आया यो चाहिँ स्विमिङ पुल्सको रुल्सहरू अनि that's the swimming pools and that's the view and there but spas. Oh nice spa, yoga, shower, there's no such thing and season to touch the water. Kosta we can bath. We will try tomorrow either on this. Oh it's fucking it hatara. It's day 2 of us in Rupakot retreat with our panda. Idhar dekho tum. Oh, that's such a good magical sunrise there. Chalo bhai, chalo. Oh, nice. Right beyond the trees, we can see tara kasto faint sunrise cha ke. So bright cha hamलाई थाहा नै भएन sunrise भइरहेछ भनेर. That's the reason. So we need to go to the peak of mountain. तर वेदर चाहिँ बेस्ट. काठमाडौँमा त छुलुक पिसा फेर्ने खालको चाहिँ वेदर हो. राम्रो कोल्ड एज हेक थियो. यहाँ चाहिँ यो विन्टर भन्दाखेरि पनि आई फिल लाइक काठमाडौँमा अरू बेलाको नर्मल टेम्परेचर यहाँको विन्टर हो. किनभने एउटा थर्मस लगाएर यो लाउँदाखेरि भइरहेछ. ज्याकेट त मलाई कस्तो न्यानो ओछ्यानभित्र सुगाला फिल गरिरहेछ. यो फिल हुन्छ ए यताको रेन्ज पनि फिल उताको रेन्ज. ओ नाइस. ला सेट यताको भ्यू छ कि त. हिजो यत्रो हिमाल थियो अगाडि. लिटरल हाइट रहेछ नि हिमाल त्यहाँ गर्दा. नाइस. हेलो एन्ड गुड मर्निङ एभ्री वान. फेरि पनि सो यो चाहिँ हाम्रो के अरे रूपाकोट रिजोर्टको रेस्टुरेन्ट एरिया हो. रुफटप रेस्टुरेन्ट. अनि यसको यो रेस्टुरेन्टको नि रुफटपको भ्यू हो. सो यहाँबाट तल चाहिँ लिटरल पोखरा हो. बट यु क्यान सी क्लाउड्स ओन्ली. सो यो क्लाउड्सको बिनिथमा पोखरा छ. एन्ड अब मैले अर्को फोन लिएर आउनु भनेको छु. एन्ड देन आई लुक एट यो कुन हिमाल हो भनेर. एन्ड देन आई लेट यु गाइज नो. सो अनि यताबाट चाहिँ वी क्यान सी हिजो बेलुकाको हिमालहरू. बट देन 2 आवर सरप्राइज आज चाहिँ वी कान्ट सी द्याट हिमालहरू. अलि मजाले वेदर खुलेकै छैन. आई जस्ट म अझै 1 घन्टा यहाँ बस्छु. सो आई जस्ट विस यो हिमाल खुलोस् अनि एकचोटि दामी हिमाल खुलेपछि विल हेभ बेस्ट भ्यू यहाँबाट चाहिँ हेरेर. एन्ड विल सी कस्तो देखिन्छ भनेर ल. अनि टाइम ल्याप्स पनि हेर्दै गर्नुपर्छ.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee.
This is the breakfast and this is the view. Bawals.
Time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, You carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside you.
पानी चेन्ज हुँदैछ but I just had a khatra bath and that alchi. You didn't bath? You don't bath? Yesterday? Which week yesterday? You say to camera. Which week? 1 month ago. Now this push. You bath in Mangsi RBA. The last day. बट हम रोज नहाते हैं गाइस. जब भी हमारा ब्लॉग देखो हमारा बाल ऐसे ही रहता है. Like such a good set here style. Beauty बाल छ. So we're done with the stay. Now हामी पापट हेर्दै goodbye भनेर we're about to go. यहाँबाट चाहिँ that's such an amazing stay. हैन त? कस्तो stay होला? Best. Everything was worth. Every moment we really loved it. Which I'm honest with you, we are not paid for this, right? To be honest, we just loved this stay. The experience, everything was so kind of a person. We really enjoyed every part of the scenic moment. The hospitality staff, behavior, everything comfortable, sweet, right? Like the food. We'll see you again.
Yeah, we'll see you again.
Like I said, now we look like trekkers. हैन? त्यो साइडमा जान लास्ट दिन्छ. म चाहिँ अब यो झोला बोकेर हिमालतिर हिँड्न आएको जस्तो देखिरहेको छु. So this is end of Rupakot vlog. Anything you want to say? So Rupakotबाट maybe just got one bottle of water. That's the shuttle service we are going to get to go up to Pokhara. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ आफ्नो यसरी प्राइभेट भेहिकलमा आउँदा पनि हुन्छ. And that's the last click bite and good bite of Pokhara.
Leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your